Hey guys, Eric here, Pioneer Survival Company. Today we're doing a little bit of stealth camping, and we're testing out a few of our products that we have here. We're going to be using
Hey guys, Shawn here with Pioneer Survival Company, the cooler brother. Oh, go ahead, sorry.
Thanks. We're going to be using the Firebox Stove Billy Pot oven, and we're going to be using two of our Biolite stoves. This should be, we're hoping it all turns out really well. I've never used the Billy Pot on a Biolite yet, so I'm hoping it produces enough even heat that, well, our biscuits will actually turn out like biscuits and not burnt dough. So stick with us. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so we already have the one Biolite going. We're boiling up some beans right now. Running great. We brought some pellets with us, so we're going to use wood pellets and a mixture of some of the hardwoods we find out here in the woods. We've already collected quite a few thumb pencil sized pieces. They're perfect for in the Biolite. My brother started his with a fire starter. You know, I'm better at making fires than he is, so I'm going to go ahead and just use a piece of fat wood that
I light your ass on fire.
I'm going to use a piece of fat wood that I slightly feathered and...
You said fat wood?
Yeah, cut down into a little piece here. Now when you light these, we were messing up at first. When there's enough heat, they automatically turn on, so just keep that in mind. Don't turn up the fan on it when you first try to start it, or you'll put your fire out.
Come on, fire builder. Oh, you burned yourself, didn't you?
No, actually I didn't. I still have my eyebrows.
Oh, that's a funny story.
Alright, so as you can see here, we've got the pan already pre-greased. That it actually comes with the Billy Pot. And we also have the Billy Pot here with the thermometer already hooked up, so I'm hoping we can just use fan speed and turn the fan up and down to get this to the correct temperature to cook these biscuits.
Get my Van of White on. Is that thing starting yet?
As luck would have it, we have a nice airplane going overhead right now. That should really drown out our voice.
If you're wondering why I look like a butch dude rancher, it's because the mosquitoes are so bad out here. I'm trying to do everything I can to protect myself.
Also, you may have noticed that both me and my brother are in the video right now. We're actually testing out another piece of gear that isn't really bushcraft at all. It's actually the DJI Osmo. It's a camera mount that it's doing facial recognition, so it's linked on my face right now, so it actually will just follow me around and hopefully keep me in frame. It's lost track of me and my brother a couple times now, so I'm hoping this video turns out okay. Leave your thoughts in the comments on that one. Let us know if everything looks good.
Nope, kicked on.
All right. Well, the Biolite just kicked on. It's up to operating temperature, so I'm going to go ahead and have my brother set this pan up real quick.
Oh, you're gonna have me set this thing up?
Yeah.
Have we determined how we're gonna set this thing up?
I need to slide it in.
Oh, I know how to set the pan up. I'm trying to figure out how to stick it on the... Oh, that fits snug.
There you go. Perfect.
I don't like your condescending attitude.
Perfect.
Alright. You're winning me over with this thing. Here, I'll let you decide how you want to stick it on here.
Now this is one thing. My brother was supposed to bring a metal clothes hanger because I needed to modify the Biolite slightly to make a mount to hold this because it doesn't quite fit on the Biolite. Well, of course he didn't bring it, so that's going to be another fun little challenge to see if we can get this to stay on here.
Come on. Oh, you know, I got an idea. I'm the brother that comes up with the ideas. I'll be back. Try not to bore him.
Try not to burn my hands off while you're frolicking around in the woods and I'm holding this on fire. So as I had said in my earlier gear review video of the Billy Pot, it comes with, like, it's a great value. It honestly is. Compared to other big name companies that are selling stainless steel bush pots on the market right now. This one's quite reasonably priced. The entire kit was like $100, which, yeah, that's a big investment, I guess. But for what you get, it came with a bread pan, another pan, a metal grill that goes inside of it, a handle so you can remove the pans out. It also will work perfectly to remove cans from like a campfire if you're cooking directly in the pan.
It was just too short.
Stick it right here.
Where? Here, you stick it down. Hold it. I can't see over there. Ah, nice.
That good? No?
It's leaning forward. There we go. I slid it back a little bit.
All right. Well,
should I turn the heat up?
Yeah.
Probably should.
Setting in place right now. I mean, this is new adventure for us too, so you're firsthand seeing us demo this for the first time, you know, making, well, it's actually biscuits that we're making right now, so this might be a complete failure. Odds are it probably will be. But you know, we figured we'd go ahead and share this with you guys because, well, let's be real. Learning is all about failure.
And Eric learns a lot.
So it looks like it took about 25, maybe 30 minutes to get the Billy Pot up to temperature. We actually had to get it clear up to 420, 25 maybe degrees. So it's finally up to temperature now. We've got the biscuits, bread, dough, whatever you want to call it in there. And we're just waiting about 8 to 10 minutes to take this out and see how she turned out. Hoping it's going to be good. We've got the beans over here. We got maybe, what, 25, 30 more minutes on that. Those are smelling great. I don't smell any smoke coming out of this, so I'm fingers crossed, you know. I'm hoping it's not burning on the bottom and going to be raw on top. So we'll let you know how it comes out.
All right, so we finally got it up to 425, like Eric said earlier. We let it cook just a little bit longer. We've got it off the fire now. Right here, desired result. Cut a little piece out. So, the bottom did get slightly charred, but I mean, it's not terrible. The bottom's not that great, no, but top piece is just fine.
Yeah. Pull the bottom layer off and eat the rest.
So we got about 15 minutes left on the beans. We've got our biscuits. So we're gonna cut the camera off real quick, come back when the beans are done, wrap it up with a nice dinner.
That's buttery. That's some good stuff.
That is buttery. That is good. All right, guys. Well, got the beans are ready. Got some bread for the beans. We've got a thing of coffee brewing. Overall, this went pretty good. With the beans, they had to cook for over an hour. We did a pound of beans with some salted pork and some Cajun seasoning. So we let that go for about an hour and 15 minutes. They're pretty good. I mean, they've softened up and everything. The Biolite, I think it's a great product. As far as trying to do like some heavyweight cooking like beans, it's been a little cumbersome just because the Firebox section of it, we had to just keep refueling it. So, I mean, that got a little tedious. It's definitely, the Biolite's good for, making the coffee, doing things that are going to heat up quicker.
Maybe trail mills, quick oatmeal, maybe some dehydrated pouches of food. Something that'll just, you can cook in like, 10, 15 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, I mean, but in a pinch, it will definitely cook it, because we did all this from dried beans and salted pork, and I mean it's cooked it up nice. The only other thing Eric noticed was with his battery.
Yeah, I can't really recommend that people use the Firebox stove with the Biolite. The way the Biolite's designed, it vents the flames out to the side, so it's not hitting the battery pack. And I noticed that with the Firebox stove setting on it, some of the flames actually did hit the battery and burned a little bit of the plastic. So, luckily I caught it in time. It didn't do any real damage. It's more just some cosmetic, a little blackness on it. But that has a lithium-ion battery in it. So if you let that thing overheat for too long, you might have one hell of a fire.
Yeah. Well, I think that about wraps it up. I am starving. Mosquitoes quit biting us. So I think we're going to call it night. Sit down, enjoy some food. And, thanks for sharing your time with us. And make sure to follow us at our website, pioneersurvivalcompany.com.
All right, let's get some food.